Any company, how will be creating for LinkedIn business page? The most important business page will be create based on your address, based on your profile, based on your information. So first in coming to LinkedIn profile, the option is called work. In this option is called LinkedIn company page. Select it. So in this, your will be small business or medium or showcase page and educational institute. I'm into small business. Small to we can change it for medium also. For medium to we can change small. Small to medium is there. Medium to we can go small. In this, what do the company have? Select the same company name. Shine service. Same will be profile name. After that, suppose some people are one question. Sir, I don't have a website to create a company page using Blogger or free WordPress website. Free Blogger or free WordPress website. Select your industry. Is a painting services. I can see home related. Any interior design is there. Painting. I can check the category. So based on equipment, I'm give you the option for business supplies and equipments. Set a company size 2 to 10. Company name will be always public company. Very important things are choose your logo. Select it. Come into your site. Open your folder. Select logo. Now again open for title. I verify. Create your page. Create your page. All the questions will be there. Close it. Everything will be done. Name. You're done. Website. Industry. Company size. Company type. And logo and your tagline. Click for create your page. After creating your page, they show you only for welcome. Not 100% will be finished. Select your image. Everything you will have to finish. In this image size will be 1536 into 768. 1536 into 768. Check the option. Post image. Save. Post the tagline. Overview. Page info. Add your tagline. Professional. Home painting and painters in Hyderabad. Save. Next. Overview. Add your description. Description write for more. Description write for more. Select it. Description nothing about your company overview description. So I'm writing for a page. Document. Open for document. This overview document description is a more important in your LinkedIn company page creation. How many characters will support 2000 characters? I'm updating page here. Description and copy. After that, headline will be common. Paste it and enter your phone number. Then size. Your font will be 2019 and add your specialization. Painting, painters, home painting, home painters, house painting, house painters, professional painters. These are the option. How many specialization you can add? Up to how many you can add? 20. Save. Once done, save. That's very important. Is called your location. Add your location. Select your country. India. India. Street address will be office 8 Station Road. And come into your contact us. Address is more important. Copy things. Paste here. Hyderabad, Telangana. Pin code number will writing here. And then location name will be Shine Service. Click for save. Done. Everything will be clear. Last will be hashtag. Hashtag will be using for 3. What is the common hashtags? The hashtag will be home painters, professional painters, home painters. Home. Then 3 will be done. I will be disabled. Save. Then finally, only one of pending will be there for your groups. Right now I have a 0 groups. I manage your language. Language already done by English. Finally, it will show you for conversation. You have an all star will be done. Except group will be not done. So it will be close. So in this done after things, very important is your tagline. Our option call is follow. Any things will be supported by anyone or target audience. Here not supported by groups, not provide the profile audience. Anyone here. Now any posting will be done. Select your content of description. Select it and post the content by using here. Here. Last final thing, image is not upload. Where you can image, select it. Image will be set by manually upload the image. Only business page you can upload by any image. Existing image will be removed. Add the new image. Select it. Click for post. Ash will be more mandatory on your posting option. So sponsor now is the ad. Sponsor now is the ad. So this is a posting your option. So anything will be posting by using LinkedIn profile. So any member, you can see the your company page will be like this: linkedin.com/company/shine service. Your domain name, two words, hyphen is a mandatory. Continue word, no hyphen. linkedin.com/company/username. Username is your domain name. This is called create the perfect company page to increase the views. And second thing, this company page you can give access to n number of users. That is called page admin. That will be only possible by the your existing users. Existing users means your existing connections we can give by your page access to the particular profile. The purpose of posting on the particular business page. Is it clear? This is called create the business page to promote your website and increase your followers.